Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I don't really do challenge videos. To me, I think they're corny, but I saw this challenge done by LaToya Forever a few weeks ago, and she basically tried to do her makeup in 12 minutes with her baby Aya in her hand. And oh my god, first of all, I love LaToya Forever and I love her family vlog. I'll link their channel down below, and baby Aya is super duper cute. However, I will be doing that challenge without a baby though. I'll just be trying to do my makeup in 12 minutes. We're really gonna see how this goes because I've never done my makeup in 12 minutes, maybe 30, but never in 12 minutes. So I tried to prep everything, and I'm really trying to make sure I have everything, and I'm looking around like, okay, so we're gonna see how this goes, and I'll take y'all along this journey with me. And when the 12 minutes are up, I'm dropping everything and I'm putting it down. So if LaToya can do it with an infant, like a newborn infant in her hand, I can do this in 12 minutes. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna set my timer on my phone. Can I do 15? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna set my timer on my phone for 12 minutes. Let's see if you can see it, because I don't want y'all to think I'm cheating. All right, so I'm gonna press start right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the start button. I'm gonna do it now. Okay, so first things first is my primer. I'm not even gonna tell y'all what the products I'm using. I'll link them down below, but just know I'm gonna be going. But okay, I took the Maybelline primer, Master Prime. I took that and prime my face. Okay, and now I'm gonna use my Fenty foundation. Okay. I need a new foundation because this is a little bit too dark, but I can work with it. It's fine. It's not like that deep or that serious. So I'm gonna do that there, and take my spoon. Okay, I got 10 minutes. I think I can do this. I think I can do this. And usually I like take my time blending, but today I'm just gonna play it by ear. And I think this challenge will be good for like any freelancers who are service-based artists, and it's kind of like, look, yo, we need this done in like 10 minutes or like 15 or 12 minutes. And you're at a fashion show or a wedding or anything like that, and you're like screwed. So we're gonna see. Oh, I feel like this is just too much and I'm not blending enough. And then I gotta do my eyebrows. Oh my god. Okay. I'm really scared. All right. So let's see. All right. I can't open my eyebrow pencil. Oh my god. This is not it. This is okay. Got it. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, I got like 9 minutes. And y'all know my eyebrows have to be like perfect. This is hilarious. Alright. Just gonna have to literally have to like figure this whole thing out, cause then I gotta carve my brows. Is that good enough? That's good enough for me. All right, let's go. I got like 8 minutes. I don't think this is possible. How did LaToya do this with a whole infant in her arm? I already know. It's about to be like a soft glam or like a natural everyday beat, cause this ain't it. Oh God, this is like the worst eyebrow situation ever. This brow is better than this brow. All right, F it, whatever. So now I'm gonna take my concealer. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the concealer that I have right here on hand. I got 7 minutes left. I'm nowhere near done. All right, and just, and I'm almost out. Oh, this is so messy. I knew this was gonna get messy. Oh, okay. And then this is trash. I'm gonna blend. Blend, 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 and blend. And I wish I could speed this up, but I can't because I'm being timed. So this is in all real time. Nothing, this next 12 minutes, well, 7 minutes is not gonna be edited. This is just gonna be raw and uncut, and I'm stressed. All right, so now I'm gonna take my concealer again and kind of, I just put it up here. I mean, y'all hearing airplanes and everything, and I usually edit that out, but for the sake of this video, I can't edit anything out. All right, 6 minutes and 30 seconds, Talisha, girl, you can do this, come on. Eyebrows carved. Eyebrows carved. I think I probably spent 5 minutes like blending my foundation, probably. That's probably what took so long. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and do this. Oh God. This is crazy. Who does this? Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. We have no time for baking, so I'm gonna take my powder foundation and just press it into the skin to set my concealer. I have no time to like bake anything at all because I have approximately 5 minutes and 24 seconds. So Jesus. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, I think I'm not doing that bad. I'm not doing that bad. And then I have to bronze my face. Can't be out here looking flat like a thumb. Oh, that look a little bruised, but we just gonna blend that out. Okay. All right. 4 minutes. Blush. Do I have my blush out? Yes, I do. I still have to do my eyes. I haven't done anything on my eyes yet. Mm. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. All right. Eyeshadow, eyeshadow, eyeshadow. All right, I'm gonna take my contour palette and literally do my eyes with this palette. because I have 3 minutes and 49 seconds. This is so bad. Oh God. I can't believe I'm doing it. Oh my Jesus. You know how bad I want to add like depth. Okay, I got 3 minutes and 27 seconds. I think this can be done. So I'm gonna take, see, I'm finessing. Is that cheating? I don't think it's cheating because you can really do this even in real time. You can do this. Take the highlighter and place it on your lid. You can do that in real time. And oh God, I won't even have time for lashes. Oh Jesus. Okay. So I have to do my mascara. Oh God, I got 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay. So I gotta do my lips. Okay, this is not that bad. I feel like I look like a thumb. All right, so now I'm doing my lips. I gotta line my lips. I have to line my lips. I just can't be out here looking crazy out of the mouth. Oh Jesus. Okay. Got 2 minutes and 13 seconds. I think I have enough time to add something to my lower lash line. I got 1 minute and 54 seconds. I think I can do this. That looks crazy. Okay. I think this looks good. 1 minute and 32 seconds. So I'm gonna take my, oh, I forgot my highlighter. Oh no. Oh no, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay, I thought I forgot it. I'm just gonna put it down my nose. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Okay. I was done in before 1 minute. So I did this in 11 minutes exact, and this is so funny. I guess it turned out very much okay. This is a mess. Y'all should really see my face right now. This is a hot mess, but I did it as quick as I can. I didn't attempt to do lashes, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because that's the longest for me is lashes, and I know I would lose. And on top of that, I can't find my lashes. So I really wanted to do this challenge, and for a soft beat for every day, I really think I did a good job. To make it quick, I think I did a really good job. And I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. So that is the end. I don't even have any earrings on. Like, that's how quick this video was. So I think I did a really, really good job. I really think I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have fun watching me do my makeup in 12 minutes. This is the quickest I've ever done my makeup, and I can really say it's not that bad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media platforms. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.